y'all, what's up, what's going on? Welcome back. My name is Jen The Tician, and if you clicked on this video, you already know what we are about to get into. If you're new here, thanks for coming in. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. My name is Jen The Tician across all of my socials. I teach new and rising estheticians how to bank and boss up by converting them from therapists to specialists. I am also a lover and an adorer. That's not a word. An adorer of black skin. Everything black skin, melanated skin, it's definitely underrepresented in the skincare community. So if you are looking for assistance with your skin, whether that's acne, hyperpigmentation, or anything dealing with your skin, you are definitely in the right place. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Obviously, you clicked on this video because you want to learn more about your vision boards for 2021 and what the great conjunction of 2020 is. So for me, I am a firm believer of speaking things into existence. One thing that people seem to miss when we're speaking things into existence is that there is work that has to be done behind those intentions. However, once we start setting those intentions and we're very, very clear about what it is that we want out of life, the processes that come behind it are usually greater than anything that we've ever imagined. So I'm going to briefly talk about the great conjunction of 2020. It's definitely not what this channel is about. However, it is important to what this video is about. And then if you want to delve into this more, I am going to leave some resources in the description box below. So I have some notes here. If you see me looking down, that's what's going on. But the great conjunction of 2020 is something that happens about every 20 years. It specifically represents an era of great change. And essentially there is a large shift on how we view the world and our world. From what I've gathered, this conjunction is a lot different than the last ones that we've had. Because this conjunction has been happening in earth signs for the last 200 years, it's now shifting into an air sign, which is Aquarius. So it's been said specifically that the great conjunction in Aquarius can bring the ideas of more community-based living, where we are all seen as equals and where there's focus on everyone thriving rather than just a few individuals. So not only is this an era of great community, it's also an era of great creativity and manifestation and speaking things into existence. Now that we got that first part out of the way, today and tomorrow are going to be the best days where that veil is open very, very clearly for you to manifest the life that you want. Which brings us into our vision boards for 2021. This can work for anyone who wants to make a vision board. However, I am speaking majority to my small business owners, especially after the year that we've had. However, we are ready to see things through and see things in a better light, and 2021 is ready for us to take all of those abundances along with us for the ride. So my first rule of thumb when it comes to making a vision board is that you have to believe in what you want to achieve. It makes zero sense for you to throw some things up on the board just to say, I made a vision board, and then tuck it away and then never think about it again. Make sure that your intentions that you set on your board are as clear as they possibly can. And in conjunction with this, you have to truly believe in not only what you're putting on your board, but also in yourself. Again, it just becomes a little project that you decided to do one day and then you tuck it away, and there's no mention of it ever. And then once you look up in December 2021, you're like, hey, I put all this stuff on this vision board and none of it came to fruition. Did you truly believe what you put on that board? Did you put work behind what you put on that board? Did you set up systems and processes to truly achieve what you put on that board? If you answered no to any of those questions, you did not put forth the correct effort. One thing I really want people to know is that a vision board is not something that just magically makes everything happen. You still have to put in the work. Big tip number 2. Make sure you add to your vision board throughout the year. We are not the same person that we were yesterday. We're not going to be the same person tomorrow that we are today. Your big goals will probably not change, but there are minute things within the year that you will have to adjust with. And honestly, sometimes your bigger goals will change as well. So it's very important to put your vision board up on a wall where you can see it every single day. This way, not only can you remind yourself of what it is that you're working towards, but if something no longer fits your narrative, you can either replace it or just simply add to it. As we can see in the back, this is my vision board here. It is set up right in my hallway, I guess you could say. And it's right here every single day. When I walk out of my bedroom, I can see it. When I walk into the living room, when I walk out of my bathroom, when I walk into my home, going from living room to kitchen, kitchen to living room, it's there for me every single day at every moment. So now that you kind of know how to work your vision board, we're going to talk about the types of things to put on your vision board. So for me personally, I did a culmination of words, phrases, and pictures. I put a nice mixture of everything that I wanted. Some of the phrases that I put on my vision board, and I do have my notes here, $500,000. Plainly put, I will make $500,000 in 2021. My intentions are very clear and very much set. 2021 will be a 6-figure year. Pay yourself first. Keep going. It's funny because that's how I would talk to my best friends or my family or anything like that. So that was very much all me right there. Be majestic. Family, I love you. Work, 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 work. Retire your mom. 6-figure esthetician. Bank and boss up. Give back. I ain't better than nobody, but ain't nobody better than me. You're the light of my life. Travel big. Side note, that is the one thing that I am seriously manifesting in 2020. I love to travel, and not being able to this year has just really weighed on my heart. So I mean, I'm manifesting everything on this board. Understand me when I say that, but that one, that's the one. So those are some of the phrases that I have throughout. I also have pictures. Don't just meet expectations, exceed them. I have a beautiful setup of a mobile spa. Quick little mini story. When I first started my business, Pampered Parfait Day Spa, it was actually Pampered Parfait Mobile Spa, and it was lovely. I absolutely adored what I was doing. However, it was taking a major toll on my body and my car with everything that's happening, and the fact that a mobile spa in the conditions that we're working in right now would actually be an amazing way to bring in additional income. I am manifesting the crap out of that, okay? I really want to go back to my mobile spa entity because I still, to this day, have a lot of people always asking, are you still taking mobile appointments? Are you still pulling up to people? It's breaking my heart because I can't, and I want to so bad. That is just something that's, you just watch. You stick around, you subscribe to this channel, you give this video a like, but you subscribe to this channel and you watch me work for the rest of the year. I guarantee you, this is happening in 2021. I have a couple of other pictures of a mobile spa setup, which is really pretty. I have this heart here, and it has a lot of relationship words: communication, respect, support, trust, love, manifesting a healthy relationship. So, I also have a couple of labels from my skincare line, which is also dropping in 2021. So make sure you look out for that. That is Skin Safe Cosmetics, and I am very excited. I have a picture here. I feel so bad because I don't know her real name, but there's a woman here on YouTube that goes by Wholesale Ted. I absolutely adore her videos. If you want to know more about the print-on-demand business model, make sure you check her out, and I am going to link her channel in the description box as well. This here is my car. This is my baby. That is definitely the car that I am manifesting for 2021 as well. But yeah, my next car, Jeep Renegade, hands down. This here is a color wheel of sorts. It's to help you understand color psychology in business and what each color tends to mean when companies pick that color or a combination of colors for their business. I like to have this in front of me, so I am making purposeful decisions when it comes to branding. If you go to my Instagram and look at my page, you can clearly see that I incorporate a lot of pink hues, purple hues, a little bit of green. All of that is very much on purpose. It's not by accident. If you want to learn more about color psychology, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Ask me about it. I will happily do a video on it if I get enough requests. This was just a beautiful shot of an apartment. I'm in an apartment right now. However, I'm not unhappy, not ecstatic. I want more. I just want more. And there's nothing wrong with wanting more. Some people will look at what I just said and they'll be like, oh, you're ungrateful. There's X, Y, and Z amount of people in the world who don't have what you have. And I totally understand that. That does not get past me at all. However, if someone said that to me, they obviously didn't know me well enough to know where I've come from, how much I've grown, and how much I've been able to do over the past couple of years. It hasn't always been this way. It's not easy. I totally get that. And some people are just dealt a hand, and that's what they have to deal with, and that is unfortunate as I get it. However, never let anyone tell you that you're selfish for wanting more. That's and that is not the kind of person that you want to be around, period. I have a phrase that says, I said yes. I am manifesting so much love. I truly would love to get engaged this year, 2021. It feels like the year to get engaged. We'll see. As you can tell, like, it's definitely something. So that's what that is. I said yes. So that's that. Of course, as you know, Black business matters. Support Black owned business. I am going to ride that until the wheels fall off. I have multiple pictures of food. I am a big foodie. I love food. I'll try anything once, twice if I like it, 3 times if I'm really digging it. Manifesting good, delicious, healthy, not healthy, all the good food that my soul can take. Food. I love food. This kind of goes back into the travel thing as well. Like I said, I would love to travel more in 2021. A lot of missed opportunities here in 2020, but that's okay. These pictures I printed out like 3 of them and I use it as a border. So I don't know if you can see that, but all of the border, that's money. All of that is money, and that is absolutely what I was going for, because money. I know y'all don't come to this channel for me to sing, so I'ma stop while I'm ahead. I guess we can briefly talk about supplies. This isn't something that's overly complicated. I went to Family Dollar. I got me a poster board. They're 2 for $1. I did initially go into the store to look for magazines, something that I felt would resonate with me. Unfortunately, I just wasn't able to find magazines that I could really pull things from. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna print exactly what I wanna say. I'm gonna print the pictures that I want. And just in this moment, it kind of just hit me that that's probably even better, because again, you wanna be very specific about what it is that you're manifesting. And on top of manifesting today, December 21st, and tomorrow, December 22nd, you want to make sure that whatever you don't want in your life, you are releasing that as well. So today, the 21st, tomorrow, the 22nd, we are all about manifesting the things that we want and the things that we don't want. And that all starts with your vision board. This is an excellent, powerful tool to see exactly what you want and where you want to go and how you're going to get there. You can do this individually for yourself. You can do this for your small business. I kind of made a conjunction board because this is about me. This is about my small business, and I am ready to dominate 2021. I hope you are too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. When you click subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell so that you are notified every single time that I upload. I want to wish everyone watching this a prosperous and beautiful holiday. And let's make 2021 some of the best we have ever seen before. Y'all already know how this goes. Make it your daily mantra. I ain't better than nobody, but ain't nobody better than me. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.